Hey friends, this is going to be your super awesome, super quick review for your quiz tomorrow. Your quiz is only 10 questions. It's not difficult. It's over the stuff we've been working on. I have the quiz right here in my hand, and I just made up these problems to be very similar to ones that are on your quiz. You're going to have these three types of problems: simplifying an expression. So if you notice, there's no equal sign, so I'm just taking this long thing, and I'm going to squish it down and make it smaller. I'm going to actually solve it. So not only will I have to simplify it just like we did up here, but now since there's an equal sign, I'm going to have to, once I've simplified it, turn it into a two-step equation and then work backwards from there. And then lastly, this is just like some problems we did last week, solving for y. This is currently in what we call standard form. I'm going to have to change it to where it's y equals. So over here, one more reminder about your quiz. It is going to be treated like a kind of like a test thing, so offices will be up and you will be working all by your lonesome. So make sure you really understand this. The biggest thing that's going to really hurt you guys tomorrow, and the things that I've been noticing, is negatives. And there are quite a few of them, and we did that intentionally because you've really got to understand it. So on this first one, when I am simplifying it, I'm going to take this and I need to combine like terms. I need to put my cows with my cows and my pigs with my pigs. So I have a 6x, and then I have a 2x and a 2x. Right now, I cannot do anything because you have to distribute first. So even whenever you have an equal sign or not, you're always going to distribute first. So that means I need to first give this -3. This says -3. That's the same thing as plus a negative. I need to distribute this -3 to everything inside of these parentheses. So I need to give it to that 2x and to this -4. So be very careful with these negatives. The other parts I'm just going to bring straight down because I don't need them yet. Distribute means to multiply all the way across. So -3 times a 2x is a -6x. And then a -3 times a -4. Remember that minus is the same thing as plus a negative. So -3 times a -4 is -12. And then I'm going to bring this 2x straight down. And then from here is when I can look at my cows and my pigs. I've got a 6x, another 6x, and then a 2x. I have 6 minus 6. That's going to completely cancel out. Those are going to be totally gone. I still have this 2x over here, minus 12. And that's your answer. At this point, this is all we can do. There's no equal sign. I can't solve. You could have also written this if you just brought this minus 12 straight down. You could have had -12 plus a 2x. These mean the exact same thing. Okay? Or I've also seen people do 2x plus a -12. These all mean the same thing. Be very careful. Know that it can be written different ways, and that doesn't mean it's wrong. This one, I'm going to first distribute, like we did up here, distribute first, combine my like terms, but then since I have this equal sign, I get to solve. So remember, -2, this entire thing needs to be distributed. Don't lose those negative signs. So this 4x is brought down. A -2 times a +3 is -6. And then I have this -2 and a -3x. Negative and a negative being multiplied is going to turn into a +6x is equal to 14. From here, I've got to look for my cows. 4x and 6x can be put together. I have 10 total x's. This -6 is going to stay the same. And now this is just a regular old 7th grade two-step equation, trying to get x by itself. Add 6 to both sides. 10x is equal to 20. Divide by 10. X is equal to 2. And that's my problem. This very bottom one, remember, this is given to us in standard form. This is not how we're used to seeing our equations. We're used to seeing it written like this. This is called slope-intercept form. Hopefully you still all know that because you can't forget it. Slope-intercept form, y is all by itself. So I need to get everything away from this y. I'm first going to start off with this 2x. I need to get it to the other side. The opposite of a positive 2x is subtracting 2x. I can't put those together. That's a pig and a cow. Those can't go together, so they're going to stay like they are. So I'm left with a -4y is equal to -2x minus 12. And we're going to ignore the guy talking. Oh, that's a person talking. Never mind.
At the late buses now. The buses are about to roll. Everybody should be at the buses. We are rolling the buses.
Hey guys, they're rolling the late bus, so make sure you're there. So I'm going to divide by -4 all the way across. Please don't make that mistake. If I divide by -4 here, I have to do it to both things on this side. So my final equation is y equals, that's not a negative, that's a normal old y. Sorry. Mess it up. Y equals -2x over a -4x. That's going to simplify down to a +1/2 x. And then a -12 divided by a -4 is a +3. And that's your answer. Go study, look at your notes, do well. Thanks, bye.